responsible, emotional way. As far as she and I are concerned, we are parent. We are mother and child.
Did Sandra Cataldi have a will, Miss Nelson?
No, she did not.
Why not?
Probably because I didn't encourage her to. I thought it would be detrimental in fighting her disease.
Well, that's very convenient. What makes you so sure that Sandra Cataldi even wanted you to have this child?
Your Honor, if I may, I'd like to propose that that question might best be answered by introducing item E into evidence.
Heather, sweetheart, this is for you. And I hope that you never have to see this. But just in case, I want you to have something from me other than the life that I gave you. And I want you to know that Janine and I wanted you so much. And you were more than we ever could have dreamed for. My precious little girl. I'm sorry about not supplying you with a father, but I hope that someday you'll understand that that's not part of who I am. And I am leaving you with a wonderful person to love. We've been together from the moment that you were conceived, and we will always be together. So, love Neen as she loves you, and respect her, and make her proud of you. I leave your future happiness in her hands. And forgive me, my little one, if I have to leave you. But know that no matter where you are, I will always be with you and love you forever and ever and ever.
Your Honor, this court does not know what condition Miss Cataldi was in when this tape was shot, whether she was medicated or coerced.
Let's move on, shall we?
Your Honor, my clients are physically, mentally, emotionally, and financially fit to care for Heather Cataldi. There is a natural family bond between them. And we believe to disrupt this family at this time would cause tremendous adverse psychological effects on this child. She has a very loving home. And the law is very exact, and we believe should be honored to the letter. Thank you.
Ms. Harrison.
Your Honor, there is no doubt in anyone's mind that the Cataldis love their granddaughter, and they're providing for her to the best of their ability. But my client also loves her, and it's clear that Sandy's intention was that Janine continue to raise this child. You know, in any other state, the question of responsibility would never be an issue. It is only in the state of Florida that says same-sex partners cannot adopt. And while it's certainly my wish that someday we will be able to repeal the laws which still deny homosexuals their full civil rights, that's not the business of this courtroom today. And in order to see clearly, we must focus on the individual case before us, the case of one individual parent and one individual child. And if you ask Heather Cataldi who her mommy is, this is her mommy. And if we deny her the right to be raised by her mother, all we will accomplish is the separation of two people who love each other, who need each other, and have the right to be with each other. Thank you.
I'll retire to chambers, come back with my decision. This court is recessed.
All rise.
Please be seated. No evidence has been presented in these proceedings to suggest that the plaintiff, Janine Nielsen, is anything but a fit and loving parent. Concurrently, there is no evidence that Evelyn and Frank Cataldi have acted out of anything but love and devotion to their granddaughter. Much has been made of the plaintiff's sexual orientation. Personally, I believe